Now see, in connected motion, you have taken a pulley like this. This is a pulley. This is taken frictionless, and here we take strings. There is a inextensible string and massless string. There are the two weights connected here, M1, and here connected another one is M2. Now, I have told you this pulley is frictionless, string is massless and inextensible. Now, we can take, suppose here, if M1 is greater than M2. So, obviously lift is going down, M1 is going downward, M2 is going up. Both are moving with the same acceleration here because of the same string. So, we can take acceleration downward and here is upward. Now, see what are the forces acting on the mass. M1 first, M1g is acting downside and tension is acting upside. There is a force of tension acting on the string here. So, when the body is mass M1 is being pulled by the earth downward, then a string is pulling the body vertically upward. That is called tension. Similarly, here tension T is upward and M2g is acting downward. So, we have drawn the forces acting on M1 and M2. Now, we will write the equations for the net force. M1g downward, T upward, that is tension. Tension is equal in both the cases here. So, we can write M1g minus T is equal to M1 into A, that is net force on body M1. Similarly, we can write T minus M2g is equal to M2 into A, that is net force on the body B. If you solve these two equations, you will be getting these T will get cancelled and you will be getting M1 minus M2g is equal to M1 plus M2 into A. I have added these two equations. So, you will be getting A is equal to M1 minus M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2. Now, by putting the value of A in any one of the equation, whether you take this equation 1 or in equation 2, you can get the value of tension. That tension will be coming out T is equal to twice of M1 M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2. So, this is coming by putting the value of A. So, in this case, we have calculated the acceleration of the body, that is a common acceleration, and we have also calculated tension in the string.